Namaste friends, welcome to Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Today is Civil Services CSAT paper 2 key with explanation question number 19. Question number 19. This is a data sufficiency question. In data sufficiency, you need not to find the exact answer for the question. Here, they will give one question and also two statements S1 and S2. Based on these two statements, first read the question. Which statement is sufficient to find the answer? From statement 1, can you find the answer, or statement 2? Statement 2 is sufficient to find the answer or not? We have to check it. So here two statements S1 and S2 are given below, followed by a question. N is a prime number. So what is N? N is a number. It is a prime number. How many prime numbers are there? Infinite prime numbers are there. And statement 2, n leaves a remainder of 1 when divided by 4. When divided by 4. So, and one more thing, in data sufficiency, the answer should be unique. Sometimes you may got two answers or more than two answers. It means that is the data is not sufficient. Okay, now see here question. What is the question? If n is a unique natural number between 10 and 20, then what is n? N is a unique natural number between 10 and 20. Then what is n? Between 10 and 20, it means 10 is not there between 10 and 20. 20 is not there between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20 means from 11 to 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 19. Up to 19. How many numbers are there? Between 10 and 20, how many numbers are there? 9 numbers. 9 numbers. And here, n is a prime number. N is a prime number. It should be between 10 and 20. N leaves the remainder of 1 when divided by 4. Okay. Then which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements and the question? S1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. S2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. S1 and S2 together are sufficient to answer the question, but neither S1 alone nor S2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. And finally, the option D, S1 and S2 together are not sufficient to answer the question. Okay, now come to statement 1. What's the question? Find the n is a unique natural number. It should be between 10 and 20. 10 and 20. And according to statement 1, n is a prime number. Between 10 and 20, how many prime numbers are there? According to statement 1, 11 is a prime number. The number should be between 10 and 20. 11, 13, 17, 19. Between 10 and 20, 4 prime numbers are there. According to statement 1, we got 4 answers. But according to data sufficiency, the answer must and should be unique. So, S1 alone, first statement alone is not sufficient. Now take the second one. N leaves a remainder. Don't take the statement 1. Take statement 2 only. N leaves a remainder of 1 when divided by 4. Divided by 4. So many numbers are there. If n is a, n leaves remainder 1. So when divided by 4, for example, 5. 5 is a number. 5 is a number. It is divided by, if you divide by 4, remainder is 1. But according to question, the number should be between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20. So now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Condition is n is a prime number. N is a prime number. Out of these 4 numbers, 11, 13, 17, 19. 11, 13, 17, 19. For example, 11, 4 2s 8. Remainder is not. Remainder is not 1. 13, 4 3s 12. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. So, 13 divided by 4, the remainder is 1. And 17 divided by 4, remainder is again 1. 4 4 so 16 plus 1. 19 divided by 4, the remainder is not 1. Remainder is not 1. So, what is your answer? What is your answer? According to statement 1, we got 4 answers. According to statement 1, we got 4 answers. According to statement 2, between 10 and 20, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 19, we got 2 answers. We got 2 answers. Okay. So now which one is the right answer? Which one is right answer? 1 alone is not right answer. 2 alone is not right answer. Now if you take statement 1 and statement 2, if you take both these statements, from both these statements also, here 2 numbers are common, 13 and 17. 13 and 17, 2 numbers are common. So 1 alone is not sufficient. Statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Statement 2 alone is not sufficient. 1 and 2 together also not sufficient. So the right answer is S1 and S2 together are not sufficient to answer the question. Okay. Thank you. I will upload each and every question in Sigma IAS YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this video and share to your friends also.